How to use Amazon Prime Visa reward on Amazon. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can use Amazon Prime Visa reward on Amazon. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to add items to the cart. So go to amazon.com and make sure that you're signed in into your account. Once you're signed in, now you have to add the items that you want to your cart as a user. So let's add some items to the cart first. So once you have added all of your preferred item to your cart, then you have to go to the checkout. Head over to your cart icon at the top right. Once you're here, now review your product. Once you're done, you have to head over to proceed to checkout option. Once you're here, add your delivery address and you could head over to payment method. Once you add your delivery address, you will be prompted to add your payment method. Under the payment method screen, you have to look for an option that says use your Amazon reward points. You will see your available balance also. So you have to enter how many points you would like to use, or you could also apply them all. Once you have applied your point, you have to continue with your payment and place your order. And that's it. Now your points will be automatically deducted from the total. That's it. That's how you can use your Amazon Prime Visa rewards. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.